Hello all, welcome back to the channel. This is Katonya from Glorified Bodies Fitness. We're going to do an exercise to help strengthen our hips, our glutes, gluteus medius, our legs, and our core. Using a squishy ball, we're going to take the ball right at the hip. My heel is lifted, and we're just going to press into the ball and then release it, but we're also pressing the hand into the ball. We're pushing the hip and pressing the hand in at the same time. My standing knee is soft. I'm not locking my knees out. And we have 3 different levels. So you have a choice. It's level 1, we're lifting the leg up and down, or keeping that leg up as we pulse. All right, let's get to it. We'll start nice and easy. Press, and we're going to do 2 sets. Yes, 2 sets. You're going to exhale on that press. Keep the abs in tight as you press. And both sides are working. You'll feel the standing leg and the one that's a little bit in a rested state unless you press. Okay, and press, lift. Very good. Now you have an option of just keeping it up. Up. Feel the challenge? Oh yeah. Really working on that balance and breathe. Get ready to switch sides and take it over. Nice and easy. We'll start with the heel lifted. Exhale on that press, and your arms are getting a bit of a workout there. Very nice. And when you're ready, maybe give it a try, lifting the foot off the floor, up and down. See how that works for you. And feel both legs working. Keep it going, and we're getting ready to add that wonderful balance part, right? More balance. Okay, let's give it a go. Stay up. Keep the breathing, no breath holding. Get ready to switch sides and switch. And let's give a pulse this time. See how that feels for you. You can keep the slower pace. Don't feel that you have to go this fast. But keep your form. Come on, press. Moving with the breaths. Okay, let's add the lift. If you need, get that arm out there. Very good, looking good. Get ready for the big challenge. Keeping the foot up. Uh-oh. All right, I'm with you. And feel free to use a chair if you need a little assistance. It's okay. Get ready to switch and change sides and pulse it. We're almost done. And feel free to do 3 sets. So if you haven't subscribed, I hope you consider subscribing. Give a like, thumbs up, and head on over to glorifiedbodiesfitness.com, because now we offer memberships. And with that, you get over hundreds of videos you can work out to and customize. Make it your own, so you can make it as short or as long as you want, and it's specific to your needs. We also have recipes, recipe of the month with the video to how to make the recipe. So there's many benefits to being a member. So consider being a member of Glorified Bodies Fitness. Love to have you. 5 seconds. Excellent. You did it. Yay. Great job. I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Peace and love. Ta-ta. you.